Okay, we're going to start our 8th unit here with some operations on functions. So we already know what math operations are, right? These are the arithmetic uh, operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are operations. Typically, we do these with numbers, but we can also perform these operations on functions. So given we have two functions here, f of x equals 2x and g of x equals negative x plus 5, we're going to perform some indicated operations. So we'll start by running down the left side here. So this says f plus g of x. So we're just going to add these two functions together. F of x is 2x, and we're going to add to that g of x, which is negative x plus 5. And then all we have to do is combine like terms. 2x plus negative 1x is 1x plus 5. There we go. Okay, how about f minus g of x? Now this is a little bit trickier just because when we subtract the entire function, you'll want to make sure we put that in parentheses, because what we have to do is then distribute that negative sign to both of these, because we're subtracting every term inside that function. So what it really is 2x plus x minus 5. And we end up with 3x minus 5. And finally, multiplication here, f times g of x. So this is just 2x times negative x plus 5. And we'll use the distributive property to multiply 2x by both of those terms inside there. So negative 2x squared plus 10x. Now on the right-hand side here, see we're putting an input on it. So instead of x as our input, we're putting a number. Luckily, we just figured out what all those functions are. So f plus g of 5, we're going to take that f plus g of x function, x plus 5, and we're going to put 5 in for x, and that's 10. For f minus g of 3, we already found the f minus g function here, 3x minus 5. Erase my circle. So we're going to just plug in negative 3. So 3x minus 5 is our f minus g function. So we'll put negative 3 in for x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Minus 5 is negative 14. And lastly, with the multiplication, f times g of 4, we have f times g of x over here, negative 2x squared plus 10x. Okay, so now we'll put 4 in for x. And we've got a little more work to do, but that's okay. 4 squared is 16, so we've got negative 2 times 16 plus 10 times 4 is 40. That's negative 32 plus 40, which equals 8. All right, so whether your input is x or a number, we can perform these operations on functions. Let's try a few more, this time with a little bit more complicated functions, but the process is the same. Okay, so f of x is x squared minus 4, g of x is 2x plus 1. So first we'll add f plus g of x. We're doing x squared minus 4 plus 2x plus 1. So when we're adding, it's just combining like terms. So the x squared doesn't change. The negative 4 and the 1 will go together. The 2x won't change. And negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So in kind of standard form there, that's our addition function there, f plus g of x. F minus g of x, x squared minus 4, minus the whole thing, 2x plus 1, which, if you remember, we have to distribute that negative sign. We're subtracting both things. So x squared minus 4 minus 2x minus 1, which becomes x squared minus 2x minus 5. Didn't leave myself quite enough room here, but that's all right. F times g of x, we're multiplying. So x squared minus 4 times 2x plus 1. We have to do a little extended distribution here. So x squared times 2x is 2x cubed. X squared times 1 is x squared. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And there's actually nothing to simplify there. So that is our answer. Now we can apply some numbers into it. We have some inputs. For the addition function, we're inputting a negative 1. So that's x squared plus 2x minus 3. Putting in a negative 1. Right, so negative 1 squared is 1 plus negative 2 minus 3. That is negative 4. Okay, f minus g of 2 is x squared minus 2x minus 5. So putting in a 2, that's 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 5. So that's 4 minus 5, which is just negative 5. 0 minus 5 there. And lastly, the times function. We had 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 4. So we'll put in a negative 3 here. Okay, so negative 3 cubed is negative 27. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. Negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24, and minus 4. So we've got negative 54 here, plus 9, plus 24, minus 4, which will equal negative 54 plus 9 is negative 45, plus 24 is negative 21, minus 4 is negative 25. So there we have it. Operations on functions, you can treat them just like numbers, add them together, subtract them, multiply them. Just use all the previous arithmetic skills you know to perform those operations, essentially combining like terms or using the distributive property before combining like terms.